What's up, guys? So we are fully back with another brand new video. Okay, so in this particular video I'll share with you guys the two different between Pepperstone and IBKR broker. Okay, so in case if this is your first time, please make sure you pause this video for just 5 seconds of your time. Okay, so hit the like icon and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so that each time I upload something like this to YouTube, then you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so in case if you are also looking for how to earn free Bitcoin, then you can check out some of my videos in which I've made about free Bitcoin. Okay, so you can go over and earn free Bitcoin right away from this site them which I have listed. Okay, so let's quickly get back to the video. Okay, so um Pepperstone is actually a forex broker. Okay, so they are a global naming partner of the Pepperstone ATP ranking and official online trading partner of the ATP Tour. Okay, so right here, this site here has some popular pairs in which you can actually trade on. Okay, so one is the Euro USD, and two is the gold, three is the NAS 100, four is the Tesla. Okay, so if you should look at here where you are going to see that this is a live chart exchange. Okay, so this is a real-time chart for their popular pairs, and also here this site offers the FX. Okay, so which you can trade on the AUD, USD, GBP, USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF. Okay, so these are actually a real lifetime exchange on the market. Okay, so on the forex market, which is actually called FX. And also let's go over and check out for the commodities. Okay, so for the commodities they have the gold, silver, crude, which is actually the WTI in short form, and also they have the natural gas and the wheat. Okay, so right here is actually a real lifetime chart for the commodities market. Okay, so let's go over and check out for the index 6. Okay, so for the index 6 they have the NAX 100, they have the JEV 40, they have the US 30, AUS 200, HK 500, and if you should look here where you are going to see that this is a real lifetime chart analysis on the market. Okay, so here let's go over and check out for the shares in which one they offer. Okay, so for the shares they offer the Tesla, Twitter, Alibaba, Apple, and CBA. Okay, so this is actually a live chart on the a real life chart on the market on shares. Okay, so let's go over and check out the ETFX. Okay, so for the ETFX they offer global or uranium, they offer the arc in the arc innovation, and they offer the lithium, they offer the India 50 and the gold miners. Okay, so this is actually a real lifetime chart analysis on the market. Okay, so this site is also actually you can go over and check out their latest news on the market. Okay, so you can go over and check it out more. Okay, so this site here gives you access for you to trade on the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5, which is actually called MT4 and MT5 in short form. Okay, so MetaTrader is back in the App Store. Okay, so they are actually before it was actually removed from the App Store, but right now the MT4 and MT5 is actually back on the Apple Store. Okay, so you can get it there if you're actually making use of iPhone. Okay, so Right here is the Trading View Broker of the Year 2022. Okay, so Pepperstone is proud to be voted Broker of the Year 2022 in the Trading View Broker Award. Okay, so actually this site here was one of the award-winning platform in the year 2022, and they are happy to be one of them. Okay, so you can go over and see more advantage traders. Okay, so right here the tools you need to reach your forex trading potential. Okay, so this side here has a razor sharp sharp split. They have the fast and and reliable, and also they have over 1200 plus CFDs to trade, and also they have the um and also here they have the regulated brokers, and also you can unlock access to four major trading platform, which is one, the Trading View. Okay, two is MetaTrader 5, four is the MT5, which is actually the MetaTrader 4, and four is the C Trader. Okay, so those are the four websites in which you can unlock the access to start trading with right away. Okay, so that is it, guys. So let's quickly so in case if you actually love their website, then you can go over and click on the sign up, then start trading right away with them. Okay, so just go over and check out their platform more, so you can if you love it, then it's good for you to go. Okay, so this site has been awarded by the global league. Okay, so we have been awarded by so many companies. Okay, so here is the six companies in which they have been awarded. Okay, so let's quickly go over to the IBK KR market, so I can give you a quick review about their website. Okay, so IBK IBKR is actually a trading platform in which you can invest your money and earn back your percent in return. Okay, so this idea has a minimum low amount. Okay, so they have the lowest cost on the market in which you can actually start with, and also they give you access to the global stocks, option, futures, currencies, bonds, and funds from a single unified platform. Okay, so this idea gives you a premier technology and also a strength and securities. Okay, so this site is one of the award-winning platform and services. Okay, so this site is called Interactive um, Brokers, but called IBKR in short form. Okay, so you can actually go over and check out more about this site here. Okay, so if you love it, then go over and sign up, then start trading right away with them. Take note, this site has over 150 market with 33 countries and 26 currencies. Okay, so this site here you just need just three things for you to get started, and also this site has a different type of account type for you in which you can actually trade on. Okay, so they have the individual account type, the joint or trust account type, the and also they have the retirement account type and non-professional advisor, then with institutional account type. Okay, so you just have only three steps for you to get started on this website. Okay, so the step number one is to complete the application form. Okay, which is just for you to fill in your details. It only takes a few minutes. Okay, so the step number two is just fund your account. Okay, so you can actually connect your bank, or you can do transfer into your account. Okay, so right here the step number three is for you to start trading. Okay, so after funding your account, you can go straight and start trading right away. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that each time I upload something like this to YouTube, then you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, so thanks for now and love you all.